welcome to Fête de la Lumière. And Fête de la Lumière is Festival of Lights, which is the famous of France. So every year we never miss a chance to go to Lyon to visit this festival of lights, and it is usually 3 days, so we make sure we go for 2 days and enjoy. So the theme of Wishblow symbolizes the power of hopes and dreams. So the harder you blow, the further the light will travel and it will illuminate all these orbits, and greater are your chances of seeing your dreams coming true. So basically it's like 28 beautiful colored orbits are there, which were placed on this Place Antonin Poncet, and actually this looks like a scintillating dandelion heads, which will light up when you blow up them. And actually it is like the artist believes that it's a magical power of positive thinking. Now these both artists behind this beautiful Wishblow installation had a great positive impact on me. The theme of this Wishblow is that the stronger your dream, your wish is, the longer you blow the balls by illuminating all the these balls in line, and they illuminate at the same time. So stronger you blow, they will illuminate all the balls for a longer time, and the stronger your wish is, it will come into reality. Now this illumination of wish ball is like a ball shape because it resembles like a dandelion head. So when the artist, when she was a young girl, when she was a small child, she used to collect these dandelions from her garden and blow them. So these dandelion particles, they will flew in the direction you blow. Thus they created this Wishblow, which illumination, which resembles like a dandelion head, and when we blow strongly with our wish might come true. So let's wish strongly that the coming days in coming year 2021 will bring our dreams come true and good days. So come, let us all wish and blow strongly. So come with us to see this beautiful Wishblow illumination. Come with us, and hope you love this beautiful Wishblow illumination.
Le deuxième tour, il faut venir avec un verre de poche. Non, c'est pas possible. Je dis, je suis facilement correctible.